Hi, my name's Tony Young. I work at Rheem Manufacturing. I'm in the Residential Product Management Group. We're here at AHR Expo 2026 in Las Vegas. Wanted to talk to you about our heat pump line and start with this. This will be our newest product. It comes out in April of this year. It'll be a 17 SEER2 top-discharge heat pump using the technology that we learned from our RD16 and 18. Whenever we call something an RD, it's a side-discharge product. So we see the need for both top discharge and side discharge. As we move down the line and get past this RD18, we'll get into Fujitsu General products. Those are another acquisition that we just completed to expand our heat pump line. We'll walk you through additional products. We do have Breeze, which is a Friedrich product, back here, which is a ductless and single zone, multi-zone, single cassette product. That's another heat pump product line that we have. And then finally, we just are in the process of completing the acquisition of Group Atlantic, a heat pump manufacturer in Europe that'll help us continue to expand that portfolio and make sure we have products that serve all the markets.